Hey guys, Zach here at Morimoto, and if you've got a 2023 or newer Ford Super Duty truck, you're in luck because Morimoto is launching their XBG Grille. These grills are going to use the same optics and LED chips as the Morimoto XB Evo line of headlights, so you know they're bright. In DRL mode, you're looking at insanely bright light, but they do dim down when you go to parking light, low beam, or high beam out of necessity because they're too bright in DRL mode to drive around at night with. You're going to have glare, distraction to oncoming traffic, so it dims down for you to prevent that. This unit is highly customizable in that it comes in both piano gloss black and it also comes in chrome. You can do those two options to tie into the rest of your truck, but you can also wrap it, paint it whatever color you want, so the options are really endless. One thing to note is that if you have halogen base model truck, the grille shape won't actually fit those factory headlights, so it's required that you upgrade the headlights when you do the grille on those trucks. If you don't have the base halogen truck, the grille will install with your factory lights no problem, but we still recommend upgrading. Backed by a 5-year warranty, you've got plenty of years to come with no worry, and the install couldn't be easier. We're talking about a true plug-and-play install. Should take you about an hour, and you can actually toggle between white or amber DRL coloring on this grille via a little connector being unplugged or plugged in behind the headlight of the truck. Now come with me as we get this grille installed. You're going to start by raising the hood of the vehicle. Using a trim removal pry tool, remove the 12 plastic push clips that secure the plastic radiator shroud to the vehicle. Remove them first by prying up on the center portion, then prying out the body of the clip. Once the clips are removed, remove the shroud and set it aside. Remove the 4 10mm screws and 2 plastic push clips from the top of the grille. These 2 clips are Christmas tree style and will require some strength to remove, especially if this is the first time the truck has been taken apart. Remove the 2 10mm nuts from the backside of the upper corners of the grille if your truck is equipped with them. Some trucks have them, some trucks do not. Using a flathead screwdriver or pry tool, pry loose the plastic bolt cover. Remove the 10mm lower grille bolt on either side of the truck. Using a plastic pry tool, carefully pry the ends of the grille out and away from the headlight to release the clips that secure them together. Grab onto the grille with both hands and firmly pull forward to remove the grille from the truck. There will be 4 clips along the bottom of the grille that will release as you do. Disconnect the front camera wiring and washer hose if equipped and set aside the grille. Remove the 4 metal clips from the radiator support and set them aside. Remove the 2 10mm bolts that secure the top of the passenger side headlight. Reach behind the fender and bumper and use a 13mm wrench to remove the 13mm bolt that secures the lower corner of the headlight assembly. Lift slightly up on the tab on the top of the headlight assembly and begin to pull the housing forward. Pull the headlight assembly forward and out of the cavity. The fit is tight, so it will take some maneuvering to remove from the vehicle. Disconnect the headlight wiring from the back of the assembly and set the headlight housing aside. Remove the included input harness from the packaging. For an OE-LED headlight equipped truck, remove the caps from the 2 single-pin amp connectors on the blue wire and unplug the 2 connected amp connectors on the black wires. Then connect each of the blue wires to the matching black wires. Use the white connector on the green wire to swap between white and amber lights on the grille. Leave the connectors unplugged for white or plugged in for amber. If leaving disconnected, the provided plug caps can be installed to prevent dirt or water intrusion into those connectors. Moving to the factory grille, remove the 3 10mm nuts that secure the emblem. If your truck is equipped with a front camera and washer, remove those as well. Transfer the emblem, clip and washer, and camera over to the new grille and install the OE hardware. Install the 4 metal lower grille clips that you removed from the vehicle and OE grille and install them onto the 4 points on the new grille as shown. Remove the lower grille bolt cover panels from the new grille by pushing in the tab and pushing out from the back. If your OE grille came equipped with the upper corner studs as mentioned before, install the provided studs using a 4mm socket into the hole on either side. Lift the headlight housing up to the vehicle and connect the grille harness. Once connected, fit the headlight back into the headlight cavity and secure the light using the OE hardware. Lift the grille up to the vehicle and connect the grille harness to the input connector on the grille. Connect the front camera and washer as well if equipped. Fit the grille onto the truck and loosely install the OE hardware to secure the grille onto the truck. Get in the vehicle and test all functions to ensure the grille is functioning properly. Reassemble the rest of the vehicle in the reverse order of disassembly, ensuring all loose wiring is tucked and secured. So again, if you've got a 2023 or newer Ford Super Duty truck, you're in luck because the grills are out. Head on over to morimotolighting.com to get your set today.